Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to cut a return on crown molding. Now, in some rooms where we're putting crown molding up, if you do not have a regular terminating point as far as being able to stop in a corner, or actually have a room that has four inside corners where you're going to actually put the crown molding all the way around, this is common in a lot of contemporary homes where you have open spaces. So if you have a den and a breakfast area and a kitchen that's all joined together, you may just want to put crown molding in your den, but you have no place to stop the crown molding. Then we can cut what we call a return. Now I'm going to demonstrate on this smaller molding, which approximate a crown. Now, a regular crown essentially will be something like this, but for demonstration purposes we'll use this. So what we want to do is we want to set up our compound miter saw so that the back represents the ceiling and the base represents the wall. So with this position we'll go ahead and we will cut our 45 degree into our crown. Okay. And then for the opposite side we'll actually swing our compound miter saw around to the other 45 degree and we'll cut our return piece. Okay. So now, as you can see, when we hold the molding together in the orientation, so again where the top part here goes against the ceiling, the bottom part here goes against the wall, we've got a good 90 degree. Okay, so now all I need to do is to mark the inside edge of the molding, and then I can lay my molding down flat and line it up on my saw so I'm right on that edge. So now when I cut this piece off, okay, as you can see, it terminates the end of the molding. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to cut a return on crown molding.